Hello everyone, today we're going to present the analysis of the element of drama and also their type and the characteristic. But first, please allow me to introduce my group. There is me, Davina, Queeny, Gemmanisa, and my partner Kurnia, Ramadhan.
We go into the first elements, types and characteristic. There are three parts. The first is the title of the drama, Romeo and Juliet. The second is the type, which contains melodrama and tragedy, because the story have love story plot, pain, sensational, and appealing directly to the sense of the audience. And the last is characteristic, contains first, tell a story of certain characters. Second, use property. Third, there is scenario dialogue to be performed an audience. Fourth, staging direction for action, costuming and physical setting stage to represent natural scene.
Drama have the literary element that is called plot initial incident, which content the Capulet family and the Montaigu family have been enemies for a long time. And there is preliminary event, which content Romeo comes from the Montaigu family. He has a lover named Rosalind. When he heard that Rosalind will be at the masquerade party held by the Capulet family. But when he arrived at the party, he fell in love at first sight with Juliet, the daughter of the Capulet family. He fell in love and married secretly at the Friar Lawrence church. And there is rising action, which contains Juliet's cousin Tybalt comes to Romeo and kills Romeo's friend Mercutio. Romeo gets angry and kills Tybalt. And there is climax, which contains Romeo got the verdict of exile, while Juliet was paired with Paris. Juliet chose to die instead of marrying twice, so she was given a poison to die for 20 hours. And Folio, who didn't know the plan, immediately told Romeo that Juliet was dead. Finally, Romeo left by poison to kill himself, and Romeo died next to Juliet. And there is falling action, which contains Juliet woke up but she saw Romeo was dead. Finally, he took Romeo's sword and killed herself. And there is denouement. Saying this, the Capulet family and the Montaigu family made peace. The theme is romantic love and tragedy. Characteristic: Romeo and Juliet as protagonists versus Montaigu and Capulet family as antagonists. Dialogue: exchange between characters and soliloquy. Romeo: example, but soft, what lies through yonder window spread? It is the east, and the Juliet is the sun. Arise, fair sun, and kill the envious man, who is already sick and pale with the grief. The two her maid are far more fair than she said I might touch that cheek. Soundtrack: Cross by Garbage, Local God by Everclear, Angel by Gavin Friday. The genre is the tragedy and romance. Language style is the complex word. Motor feeling: it is too raw or too rude, too boisterous, and it's pricked like thorn.
The last element is the technical element. First, scenery, which contains curtain, flat, backdrop, Verona City in 1330. Second, costume, which contains a Romeo costume, might include knee breeches or fitted pants with long sleeve lace up or a ruffled hot shirt. Juliet's gown will be a lovely Renaissance dress in rich fabric and accented with jewels, gold cord, or other beautiful embellishments. The last, property, which contained sword, poison bottle, etc.